guys, it's Julie. Today I'm going to be filming what is in my grooming bag. We filmed our original one like 2 years ago, so some things have changed. Some things are the same, but this has been requested to film. Issa and I are filming 2 separate ones, so there'll be like 2 shorter videos. Let's get started. So first we'll start off by what bag I use. I have a different one from last time. If you remember, I had a fairly large 31 tote. It held a lot and I wanted to downsize because I didn't like having all that space because it allowed me to have way more than I actually needed. So I got the Kensington Grooming tote, which was definitely a big change because it's a lot smaller. I really love it because unlike my other one, this one's actually designed for like horse use. So it's mesh, so you can like easily hose it off and like rinse it out if it gets dirty. I just really like it. I really like the pattern too. I'm gonna do the main pocket first. If you've seen our other videos, it is no surprise that I love grooming mitts. I have 2. I don't really know why. I just kind of use them interchangeably. I like having 2. Next is my hard brush, and this is the exact same one. It is this hot pink hard brush from Tractor Supply. I don't know if they still sell them. It doesn't have a brand. It was literally so cheap. It's just like plastic, but it's like the perfect stiffness. I just love it. It works really well. Next I have the Haws finishing brush. Finishing brush and a soft brush are kind of interchangeable. I really like this one. It makes him shiny and soft. I really want to try other brushes from this brand, but I haven't had a need for them. And I have this little tiny face brush. It's just small and has like shorter bristles. It's like the same material as a soft brush. I really like this, but I actually use the Haws brush just on his face. It works out fine, but I have this in case I want like a smaller face brush. Also in the main compartment, I have the Sport Horse Essentials Fungus Blend Spray. I've just kind of been using this on Friday. If anything looks a little weird, I'll spray it on him. He also has like a dandruffy mane this winter, so I'll spray it in his mane. It seems to be helping with that. I really like it, and it comes in a small bottle, so it fits in here. I also use their coat spray, and I really like that, but that's not with me. And now that I've emptied that out more, you can kind of see how there's not pockets, but there's like these elastic bands that you can put brushes in so they will stand up. In one of those elastic bands, I have the Ethel hoof brush. This seems totally extra, I know, because hoof picks come with hoof brushes, but honestly it is amazing. I would especially recommend it if you show. Next in one of those pockets, I have the Tail Tamer paddle brush. I really like this brush. If you remember from my last video, I had like 5 combs and brushes in my bag. 1, because I had the room for it, and 2, because Penny's tail was impossible to detangle. I had like so many different types of detangling brushes. Friday has a fairly thin tail, sadly, so it's really easy to detangle, and I just love this brush because it covers a lot of surface area at one time. Next, I just have like this wide tooth comb. I'll sometimes use this on his mane, and it also is good for detangling if I need to, so I just like to have it. That's all that's in the middle. It's a lot less than last time. I don't know if you can tell, but around the outside there are multiple pockets. Like the whole entire outside is just pockets. In the front 2 pockets, I have a hoof pick. This is the same one. Issa and I got these at Rolex when we went 3 years ago, and it is from the Georgetown College Equine Scholars Program. At Rolex, if you go, they have bowls of free stuff everywhere. I also have a pair of scissors. These are for the Scotch brand. They're from Walgreens. I really, really like them for the barn. I have the Tough One braiding bands. I don't use these to braid at shows. I just use them when I'm like training his mane over to the right side. And I also have some small random things in that front pocket. I have a Sharpie, just because you never know. I have a metal mane pulling comb. I also have this like plastic like hair comb. These you buy at Walgreens are super cheap. They would give them to us on picture day. Our braider, like when I still had Penny, recommended using this to pull her mane. It pulled it more from the root instead of breaking hair. It was like gentler. I keep the Sport Horse Essentials chapstick in there just because it's super small and it's natural, and I hate having chapped lips, so it's nice to have one in there. Back pockets are 2 products I have talked about a lot. One is the Horse Amour Peppermint Bit Wipes. I have hauled these multiple times. I talk about them all the time. They are great for cleaning your bit. Then I have the Farrier's Fix hoof oil. I really like this. It smells like pepperminty and it just smells so good. And then in one of the side pockets I have this like thing of medical gloves. I just put like a wad of them inside another glove. So it looks really weird. I just keep them if I ever have to apply an ointment or literally anything. I just like to have them on hand, and my parents are both dentists, so I get them for free. And last but not least, I have 2 pairs of Rocal gloves. Again, if you've seen any of our videos, you know I love Rocal gloves. I always, in my grooming kit, have 1 pair of their normal gloves. This is what I ride in the most. Currently, because we're coming out of winter and it's been winter, I have their winter riding gloves. And then in the spring and summer, I will switch out the winter gloves for a pair of their like summer vented gloves. So it just depends on the season, but I always have 2 in here. If you watched our last What's in Our Grooming Kit, you can tell I have downsized a lot. If I really needed to, I can still fit more stuff in here, which is awesome. I do want to mention that Issa, Haley, Lily, and I will all be at Rolex this year. It's actually called Land Rover Kentucky 3-day event. It used to be called Rolex, that's still what I say. We will all be there, and currently, as of filming this video, I don't know any details about a meetup or anything. But we do want to have one. I want to meet as many of you as possible. It would make us so happy. If you see us there, do not be afraid to say hi. We love meeting subscribers, and I'm super awkward. So if you're afraid of being awkward, don't worry, I am too. If you aren't going, we'll be vlogging the whole time so you can live it through us. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I will try and link all the products down below. I might not be able to find a couple of them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell so you're notified when we upload, and we will talk to you guys later. Bye!